Addie is fixing the pepper shaker. Who are you using to fix the pepper shaker?
Felipe!
Felipe! Is it broken?
It's broken again. I need to fix it. I need to fix it.
Addie's the fixer.
Actually, the bottom of that and the top of that is broken. That's why I need to fix those. Turn to right and down and down. Now twist these, Mama.
Okay, you ready to put them back on? Okay. The first thing we gotta put on is this. And then we put that on. Uh-oh! Can you get it for me?
Yes. I can't. Yes, I can't go on her. I can't go on her. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty. This is a kitty.
Is that a kitty?
Yeah, see, yes, let me tweet. Yes, let me tweet.
Do you need some help getting up in the chair?
This is my tree.
Oh, it's your tree.
Yes. Here, Mommy, there, Mommy.
Okay, let's try again.
Okay, so it won't fall off. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Try it again.
We'll try again.
We'll try it again. That's this. As good as new. As good as new.
Is it good as new?
As good as new, Dada.
Good
You
job.
did it.
It's broken again.
Oh no, again?
What should we do?
Can you take this off for me?
Yes, I love you.
I love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.